If you are looking for a private, powerful budgeting app in 2026, you have probably heard of Actual Budget. But is it really worth using? In this honest review, I'll break down the pros, cons, features, and who it is best for. Quick and straightforward. So let's jump right in. What Actual Budget is. Actual Budget is an open source personal finance app focused on privacy and local control. Unlike many budgeting tools, it can run locally on your device or on your own server, meaning your financial data isn't stored by a company. It follows an envelope style budgeting system similar to YNAB, where you assign every dollar a job. Key features. Here are the main key features you should know. Envelope budgeting system for precise spending control. Bank sync support via third-party connectors. Local first storage for privacy. Fast and lightweight interface. Multi-device sync if self-hosted. Detailed reports and transaction tracking. The interface is clean and minimal, which makes it easy to navigate even for beginners. Pros. Number one, privacy focused. Your data stays with you, not on a corporate server. Number two, one time cost or free self hosting. No forced subscription if you host it yourself. Number three, very fast performance. Since it is lightweight, it runs smoothly even on low end devices. Number four, highly customizable. Advanced users can tweak or extend it since it is open source. Number five, accurate budgeting method. The envelope system is proven to help control spending. Cons. Number one, setup can be technical. Self hosting isn't beginner friendly anymore. Number two, limited automation. Compared to big apps, some features require manual clean setup. Number three, smaller ecosystem. Fewer integrations than mainstream tools like Mint alternatives. Number four, mobile experience depends on setup, not as plug and play as commercial apps. Pricing. Actual budget is free if you host it yourself. Some hosted versions or community providers may charge a small fee for convenience, but the core software itself is open source and available at no cost. Who it is best for? Actual Budget is ideal for privacy focused users, people comfortable with simple tech setup, budgeters who want full control of their data. It is not ideal for people who want a full automatic ready to use app with zero configuration. Conclusion and final verdict. Actual Budget is one of the best privacy first budgeting tools in 2026. It is powerful, fast, and flexible, but it is not the easiest option for beginners. If you are willing to spend a little time setting it up, it can be one of the most reliable budgeting systems available. And that's all for today's review. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and tell me down below in the comments if you have tried Actual Budget or not. Thank you, and see you in a new review.